Welcome back YouTube to another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today I've got Rich, previous guest. He's been on the channel already. You would have seen him racing against an M135i on the channel, but I'm welcoming him back today with his BMW M2 competition, and we're going to be doing a full road review and POV drive today. So with that said, Rich, do you want to tell us a little bit about the M2 for people that haven't watched previous videos?
Yeah, completely standard, S55, literally nothing done to it, just a couple of little cosmetic mods.
Yeah.
Plan on doing a few bits in the future. Would like to get stage 1.
Yeah.
With stage 1 plus maybe, a bit more. Hopefully to get sort of 530 brake.
Yeah, easily as well on these. Yeah, take it to the right place and you'll get all of those.
Just to open it up a bit more.
Yeah.
A bit more life out of it.
And you've had it since April, I remember you saying on the last time. Yeah. How are you finding it so far?
Enjoying it, to be fair. It's a lot more fun. I used to have a 335D on the stage 1. It was a fun car, it was fast, but just didn't have the noise and the raw experience that you get from the M2.
Yeah. An S55 engine, so this is for people that don't know, S55 engine is the same engine you'll find in the F80 BMW M3 and the F82 BMW M4. Yeah. They've just turned it down a little bit more, so I think the stock ones of those are about 420, 430. 425, yeah, something like that. And this is the competition one, that's why it comes with the S55. Non-comp is an N55, so slightly different platforms, but this is what they say, the one that, you know, the proper one as they call it. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, obviously so far you had it about 7 months, enjoying it. And yeah, you BMW guy then?
Yeah, well, as I said, the 335 before, I had a 530D before that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've been for the last
pretty
10
much
years, pretty much. Like.
Yeah, sweet man. So like I said, it is a stock one, and I would like to enjoy a stock one because sometimes you bring a stage 2 one to me, as much as it'd be nice to drive, it's also nice to see where this car drives from factory, if that makes sense. This one comes with the better sports seats, so it comes with the proper M2 seats, which again for me as an M2 owner, it's quite annoying because I think it's an M2, put the seats in there, don't give me the diesel leather seats, I want the proper seats. But this has got all of that. It's also got the sport function where it's M1 and M2 on the wheel, hasn't it? Yeah. Okay, sweet. So yeah, I mean, I'd like to say more, but it's a stock one, so there's not much to say at the moment. So we're gonna go out and do a POV drive, get some pulls, maybe do a bit of testing. We have tested this car before anyway, but we'll test it again just for you guys watch it. Yeah man, so we're now in the BMW M2 competition. First one I've been in, to be fair. Yeah, first one. Sounds smooth, innit? Is that in, you'll do manual?
Just do manual, yeah. I don't know why, I just seem to do it all the time. Even driving around town I'm in manual, I hardly ever keep it in auto.
Because you can change when you want to change, innit? Sometimes the car like changes a bit too quick, don't it?
Yeah, doing what it wants to do all the time, and it's annoying at times when it doesn't do something you want it to do.
Yeah, of course. And what are we in now? Sport mode?
This is just an MDM now, so I'm in M1 mode, because you can change the settings via you can have M1 with full traction on or M2 with full traction on. It's all you change the modes that you want it. So at the moment I've got now this is doing MDM and everything on aggressive, so steering and all the gear change aggressive. Everything is just the same but with full traction off.
Yeah, because in mine it's a sport plus, and obviously coming from which is the same, but you can change the sound.
You can change within the settings.
These seats as well, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. I might have to invest in a couple of these because these are a lot better than the ones I've got in my car, man.
So I've got one on the forums with some of the M2 sides. The M2 forums. People sell them quite a lot. People put buckets in for them. When a big proper track car. To get rid of these and put buckets in instead.
This is nice, man. Very nice. Nice place to be. They say the comp's the redefined one as well. I mean, they got obviously the N55, then they have this one, then they have the CS, don't they?
That's it, the CS, that's the big boy.
So down here, there's full power. Wow! It's a powerhouse, isn't it?
Yeah, it just pulls like a track. I like it when you got to start with a low revs. You're doing like 30 or something like third gear, and then you just put your foot down. You just got a long pull.
Yeah, this is crazy, man. Crazy. The way it just pulled them, man. It's just, you know what I mean, for a stock car.
Yeah,
it's unbelievable.
It's a lot of motor for a stock car.
driving it, you know what's going on, sort of thing.
That's right. Mate, it's the same. Anyone, you put someone in the passenger seat, they've got less faith.
Yeah.
Who's driving as well. You could have a Formula 1 driver driving it. You're not going to trust him as much as you trust yourself.
Yeah, of course.
I understand that.
Wow,
I'm
man.
the same in a passenger seat. I think, slow down a bit. It's one of them, innit?
No, but this is built for it, man. From stock car. I mean, 410 bhp. Yeah, there's not much cars like that power stock. That's, you know what I mean? Yeah. And BMWs, I mean, the engagement you get from them, I find them so much more responsive.
So much feel.
Yeah.
Like, so I can imagine the stage one. Just gonna
Yeah.
So that's an animal.
Look at left down here, man. Wow.
The holes too, that's the nice thing about it.
Wow. The way this car just delivers, man. Like, that's what my mind's trying to get over, is the fact that we're doing it from stock.
Yeah.
I mean, like 400 brake horsepower is a lot in it, but when you get out in it and you know what I mean, on these sort of roads,
wind it up on a longer road.
Yeah, definitely.
Might not be the fastest off the dig,
but it's crazy round here, isn't it?
Once you get them out these roads and open them out, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Road holding, it's just a good balance, a perfect balance of car.
Yeah.
And they do say like people that review these things, and apparently these are the greatest handling machines since the E30 M3.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about it. Yeah,
just
Chris Harris, Jeremy Clarkson, they both said the same thing.
That's it. I watched the Chris Harris drive one of these around some Mont Blanc track or something like that. Drove it on, and it was just brilliant.
Mate, that handling just there, what you just showed me, man, them little few roads there were crazy, man.
Yeah, it's just...
Yeah, man, so we're gonna now drive, I'm gonna drive the M2 competition as well. I'm not gonna already just sitting here, man, this feels like a nicer place to be than my car, do you know what I mean? Even though we're in the same,
it's the same thing, isn't it?
Body, do you know what I mean? But the way that they've made the seats and where the steering wheel feels a little bit more, I feel like, they definitely upped up the level on this,
slightly different digital, or whatever you want to call it.
No, to be fair, I've got the same as that.
Oh, you got that?
LCI screen, Nick.
Right.
So basically, if you change there, you can see the speed.
And all that.
Mine's got all that because it's a 2018.
Oh, right, got you.
Yeah, so the
older ones.
grey.
Or
Yeah. That's still the same. The only difference is on here is the steering wheel, these seats, and you've got the M buttons on here. But it's mad. It literally just feels like I said, I'm
like you're in the same car.
But I'm not. Yeah, man. So I say we're gonna do a nice little press now. Obviously, thanks to Rich.
That's all right, mate. Feels strange being sat here.
Mad, isn't it? It's mad how a same car. It feels a lot more. What's the word? Like mine feels a little bit more raw. Even from stock, it had a little bit more raw when you're sat there, but I think I've been told the redefineness on this is nice, and this feels like a lot more of a smoother car. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, like if you got in my car now, you feel, oh god, this feels like it's, I've done something to it to make it like that, but I haven't, I can see where your confidence was. This is nice, man.
It does instill you with some confidence, that's for sure. Just through the gears, I mean,
it's like I said, man, it's definitely, like I said, when we get back, I'll let you have a little blast of mine if you want, man. And you'll feel, you'll feel what I'm saying, like this feels, again, like I said, it's smoother, that's what it is. Like I said, the N55, even from stock, feels a little bit more like,
it's got more noise, more raw. No, I get you. That's the thing with it. Like the B58s and the N55s cars will scream about it.
Yeah. What?
These are quite quiet for what they are.
I'm still in shock, even just driving. Obviously, passenger seat. I mean, you must be thinking, bloody hell, mate.
Yeah, you're right.
But I will say, obviously, when you're in that driver's seat, you know everything then comes into your mind.
Yeah, you're feeling it all.
Yeah,
you're getting the rubber feel.
Yeah, this is nice, man. I definitely will say, steering and everything feels a lot more precise.
Yeah,
100%. I think this is a little bit more pointy than the M2 N55 engines.
Yeah.
Rawness, I'm not getting as much rawness from it, but the speeds, I mean, look. It does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
So that's definitely there. And again, like I said, if you unlocked this, I think as well, I think where the cabin's built quite well is where a lot of that, like, you know what I mean? It's quite a well-built cabin.
Sound dead end and all the rest.
Yeah, but I mean, when you was going past earlier, I'll leave a clip in now. So yeah, you can hear from the outside, you hearing that proper S55 straight 6 engine, yeah. But wow, yeah, what a car, man. I might have to get the steering wheel and the seats, man, because I don't know if it's those things there that's making me feel like it's a little bit more redefined. But I have watched forums. I mean, before I bought mine, I was, you know, online N55 versus S55. What's the difference? Everyone that was doing the vlogs was telling me, or saying on the video, should I say, the redefinedness feels a little bit more. Yes. And we'll go back in a minute anyway, and I'll leave some clips in now so you guys can actually see Rich driving the M2 N55 my one. Mine is tuned, but even from stock, I definitely feel there was a little bit more loudness. But yeah, so we're now just back in the M2. So as I said, I'm going to take Rich out quickly in this. For those of you that don't know, it's a Stage 2 Plus Envy Motorsport tuned car, pushing 442 brake. So we're going to just go for a little rinse now, just so obviously he can get a gauge of what I was referring to in the video about the rawness. And yeah, like I said, seats are definitely a thing. Redefinedness, obviously the M2 comps definitely a lot more redefined. I just found, like I said, the actual driving ability of the car in this is a lot more raw, and even from stock it was still a raw car. But yeah, we'll go out for a little spin. It's got the newer dash as well, that's what I was saying to you. Remember I was saying to you about that? Yep. That's only in comfort as well. Yeah. Yeah. Where's the pads? Have you got any left?
I've had a bit of fade on this, so when I've blatted a few bypasses here and there and coming to some heavy stops, so I have felt a bit of fade on them.
Yeah. I think you can have a lot more confidence in this one than you can mine. I'm not saying mine is like any non-less handling, but I think because it's a little bit more redefined,
it's just less forgiving in yours.
Yeah. It feels too much action, like whoa. Do you know what I mean? And I don't think that's down to. I think if you both went around the same corner at the same speed, you'd be doing the same speed. It's just because you've got all the noise going on, and the seats are.
It gives you that effect of speed. Yeah. It's like go-karting, and you get in a go-kart, you slap your ass inch off the floor.
Yeah.
You're doing 30, but you feel like you're doing 90.
Yeah, 100%. So yeah, it has come to the end of the video. Listen, Rich, appreciate you coming out today. Yeah, man. And if you haven't,
sat on passenger seat.
Yeah, that's it. If you haven't watched the video with Rich against Casey's M135i, go and check that out now. I'll leave it in the description and I'll leave it at the end of this video. And hopefully we'll see this car back again, tuned, stage 1. And I've already told him where he needs to take this car. MV Motorsport, only place for BMWs for me personally.
Should be looking into it, that's for sure.
Yeah. But yeah, like I said, it's been a good one. Remember to smash that like button. Remember to subscribe if you're not already. Next episode coming soon.